Hi, I'm Ben.
Hi Ben, I'm Terry. Nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you. So I'm going to court tomorrow. I have this case, and frankly, I have no clue what I'm doing going to court and whatnot, so could you help me out?
I would be happy to help you out.
Good.
Your job as the Crown Prosecutor is to present the evidence to the court that the police have gathered in their investigation. So you're going to be questioning witnesses, you're going to be cross-examining any defense witnesses that may be called, and you're going to be arguing the facts and the law before the judge so that the judge can make a decision. You can access the criminal code online, you can access case law online. So if you go to the right websites and punch in the details of the type of case that you're looking for, the search engine will find relevant cases that you can look at. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here today for the trial of Kalian McPhail, who is charged with committing an assault against Sabrina McKay. Ben Aitken is appearing on behalf of the Crown, and Dylan Barber is defense counsel. Mr. Aitken, are you ready to call your first witness?
Yes, ma'am. I'd like to call my first witness, Sabrina McKay.
Ms. McKay, would you take the witness stand, please?
Put your hand on the book. Do you promise to tell the truth?
Yeah, I do.
Mr. Aitken, go ahead.
I'm a lawyer. Can you tell us what happened, please?
So I was taking a nap and I'm sleeping. And then I got up. I looked in the mirror and I have this on my neck.
The tattoo.
Yes.
Do you have any idea who put the tattoo there?
Kalian did it. He was laughing at me when I woke up. And he was there when I fell asleep. Has to be him.
So, in fact, during the time of this tattooing, you were asleep?
I was asleep,
So
yeah.
how can you be so sure that it was Mr. McPhail if you were sleeping?
Because he was there.
Was there anyone else in the office at the time?
No.
Are you sure? You were asleep, weren't you?
Objection?
Mr. Aitken, this is cross-examination. She has a great deal of latitude to ask questions to test the truth of this witness's evidence.
So, from my understanding of tattoos, it requires needles being poked into your skin. How did you not wake up?
I was on sleeping pills because I have trouble sleeping.
Dun dun dun.
Objection!
Yeah, you're just objecting because you know the truth, and you do too!
I had seen Kalian playing with his tattoo needles, and Sabrina had said, well, I'm gonna go take a nap now, and Kalian had this mark upon his face that makes me certain that he did it.
I object! My client has the right to smile.
I'll allow that objection, actually.
She didn't use the word smile, she used smirk.
Smirk, smile, same thing, look it up.
It is not the same thing, actually. Look it up.
Counsel, please maintain proper manners in the courtroom.
Sorry, Your Honor. I'm done.
All right, so you in fact were in the office during the time this took place?
I was not.
Or was it before?
It was before the incident took place. I was in the office. I had locked the door when I left for lunch, and when I came back, the door was
so you
still
have a
locked.
key.
Of course.
May I
have
see
a
this key to the office?
I did not bring it with me to the courtroom.
Suspicious.
Object. She's kind of being a jerk.
She is kind of being a bit of a jerk, actually.
I object to her.
The people who work within Next TV, the hosts included, and the producers have a key to the office.
So how do you know that between the hours of lunchtime to 6, someone could not have come in and tattooed Sabrina's neck? Hey, Klein, what's up?
Not much.
So, you were in the office between the hours of noon and 6 p.m., right?
Well, my brother called me, and he wanted to go to lunch.
And would you say that Miss McKay has always had a certain hate for you?
Yeah, she doesn't really like me very much.
So
I don't know why.
You have right to believe that she would blame this on you.
Yes.
Did you put the tattoo on Miss McKay's neck?
No, I did not.
That is all.
Hello, Mr. McPhail.
Hello.
Have you ever heard the term Occam's razor? It's a theory that the simplest explanation is usually the most probable.
Mr. Aiken,
Yes.
you'll have an opportunity to make your closing arguments at the end of your case. If you have questions for the witness, you can put them to him.
I think he's stupid.
She was sound asleep on sleeping pills. She has no idea who actually did the tattoo. She's just looking to blame it on my client. Thank you.
Kalyan had a tattoo kit. Sabrina now has a tattoo. He was there. Thank you.
Counsel, thank you very much for your presentations here this afternoon. In this case, with the evidence that's before me, I'm unable to find that the accused is guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, and I acquit him of this charge. You're found not guilty, sir. You're free to leave.
Power. No.